Good morning, kindergartners. Are you excited for another interesting lesson of English? That's great. Me too. And let's see what I have for you in this week, week 14. Let me discuss today's objective. Today's objective is identify and recognize digraph OE in words. Children, let's recall the previous lesson. The sound of digraph oo. Oo has short vowel sound and long vowel sound. Short vowel sound as in look and long vowel sound as in moon. I know you can read this word. Try to blend the sounds. Farm. Well done. Good going, children. Look at this. Yes, I know you did it in the last lesson. Well done. Storm. And what about this word? I know you can do it. Come on. Fur. Well done. Good job. Children, let's discuss today's digraph sound. When O and I comes together, the sound is OE. Repeat after me. OE. Good job, children. Look at this picture. Let's try to blend these sounds. Oil, oil. Now look at this. Everybody has it. K, oil, coin. Repeat after me. Let's try to blend these sounds. This is very easy. S, oil, soil. Well done. Yum. I really like to eat boiled eggs. B, oil, boil. Repeat after me, children. Boil. Get ready for the quiz. It's quiz time. Now, who is going to blend these sounds for me? Oil, foil. Good job. Now, look at this. This is very easy. Now, who is going to read it for me? Good job. Soil. Children, select an appropriate word. Please boil an egg for me. Well done. Boil. And this one. I have many coins. Good job. Well done, children. You are going very good. So let's have a recap of today's lesson. In today's topic, we have learned a new sound, oil, as in words, oil, coin, soil, and boil. The worksheet has been uploaded in your folder. You can do your worksheet number 1. Now, happy learning! See you in the next class.